In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom EMA ribbons to your TradingView charts using a Pine Editor script. Now, this tool is super handy as it visualizes multiple EMAs at once, specifically the 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50 EMAs to give you a clearer picture of the market trends to help you make more informed decisions. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shea. Let's dive right in. Now, step one is to create a TradingView account. Now, if you already have a TradingView account, feel free to skip ahead to the next step. But if you don't have one yet, your first step will be to create an account. You can sign up using my affiliate link in the description below. It's totally optional, but it helps support the channel. Plus, you'll also get $15 when you purchase your first subscription, which is pretty cool. Once you're logged into TradingView, head over to Products and select Super Charts. Now, I don't know about you, but I find the default interface a bit too bright, so I always switch to dark theme. Let me show you how. Just go here and select dark theme. And there you go. This is much better. Let's load up a Bitcoin chart. Now, just a quick heads up, if you're on a free account, you might see some ads popping up. All right, now let's move on to step two. You'll find the Pine Editor at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and open the editor. This is where you can write and edit custom scripts in TradingView. But don't worry, you don't need to code anything yourself. I've got you covered. Just copy the entire script I sent you and paste it here. Name it whatever you like and click Save. Now, if you're watching this video and you don't already have the script, just hang tight and I'll show you exactly how you can get it for free a bit later in the video. Once it's saved, click Add to Chart to add it to your chart. Alternatively, you can go to Indicators, then Personal, and find your ribbons there. Just click on it and boom, it's on your chart. And there you have it. You've successfully added EMA ribbons to your TradingView charts. Now, if for some reason you don't see the ribbons right away, just double check that you copied the entire script correctly. If you're still having trouble, just leave a comment below or check out the PDF guide I attached to your email. Now, step three is totally optional. We're going to talk about customizing your EMA ribbons. You'll see the new indicator in the corner of your chart. You can turn it on or off by clicking the little eyeball icon. And if you want to remove it from your chart altogether, just click the trash can. Don't worry though, as this won't delete it completely. You can always go back to Indicators and add it back. To tweak the look of your EMA ribbons, click on Settings, and you can change the colors, opacity, and thickness of the lines. And once you're happy with it, click on OK to save. Now your ribbons will have the updated colors. Just a quick note, if you remove the ribbons from your chart and add them back, the colors will revert to the original settings. To make your settings stick, go to Defaults at the bottom and click Save as Default. Now, even if you remove and re-add the ribbons, they'll keep your custom settings. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who could benefit from it, feel free to share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you still need the Pine Editor script, head over to buyprofitrepeat.com. The link is in the description. Just enter your email and I'll send it to you for free. Thanks for watching and happy trading.